I know, drop through the door tells us to go. Oh, but I know that you will tell them to go somewhere else, because you know that I want to stay in this house forever. I don't want to ever leave. How could I ever live in another? This is where I want to be. You know that there won't be a high wall I can climb and find the things that I find. I have to leave them where they are. I don't want to go far. A tear-stained pillow doesn't seem to help me. I can't make you change your mind. I look from my window and I see all I wanted. How can I leave it all behind me now? I've done all I can do. I want to stay here. This could be my home forever. But if stay I can't come back ever. You don't know just how much I wish I could stay in this house forever. I don't want to ever leave. How could I ever live in another? This is where I want to be.